guys, welcome to Shop Dust. I'm Tim, and in this video, I'm going to be solving an old problem. So I'm going to start by getting the old bench vise and grinder out of the way to make room for my new 10-inch Yost tail vise that I bought about a year ago and still haven't installed. Here I'm cutting and scoring a 2x6 to fill the gap between the mounting bracket on the vise and the bench top, so the top of the vise jaws sit flush with the top of the bench. Now it's time to mark and cut a hole with my multi-tool in the face of the workbench for the vise to mount under the bench. And here I just used a couple of 4/4 scraps of hickory for my jaw faces. And now for mounting. I found it easiest to use a couple quick clamps to clamp the vise in place, pre-drill under the bench, and use 4-inch lag bolts to secure the vise. And that, folks, is how I mounted a 10-inch Yost tail vise to my very ordinary workbench. Thanks for watching.